At Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we know what it's like when the car is broke down and the bills are piling up.
But at Black Widow Auto Repair and Sales, we are here to help. We have professional, highly trained technicians for any car repairs. No credit? No problem. At Black Widow, we say yes. With fast and easy credit approval in a snap. We will get you back on the road again with a smile. At Black Widow, we are here for you.
We are here for you.
Located at 12087 62nd Street North, Suites 1 and 2, Largo, Florida 33773. Call us today at 727-220-1811. Come see us today.
Black Widow, we are here for you.
Black Widow.